In this week's edition of A Ray of Hope, we hear the story of how a bond between a teacher and his student was formed, a bond which has grown even stronger since they've graduated. Kayan Morgan has more.
Sometimes the only thing we can do is be present.
Whether it be as a friend, a teacher, or both. For these past students of the St. George's College in Kingston, literature teacher Simon Brown is all that and more. It's a teacher-student kind of bond that has blossomed into a newfound friendship.
In literature class, I felt as though sir would really allow me to speak and say what I had to say. Sometimes it would be intimidating because there's so many intelligent people in the class, but a lot of the time it felt good knowing that sir was there to be able to speak to.
Supporting them during and even after high school, Mr. Brown, or Simo B as his students call him, says the best way to connect with students is to make them feel relevant.
Not a lot of them are interested in books. It's a social media age. People don't understand how much words you consume through text message and social media. But if you put it in book form, you find that they lose interest.
And throughout his teaching career, which spans over 15 years, Mr. Brown has helped steer many students in the right path. However, he's not the only one.
I've had people come up to me and be like, they need more teachers like you. There are so many teachers like me. You're not going to see all of the times that a teacher might have to give students at school lunch money. There are teachers right now carrying a student to the hospital. You're not going to see those stories where teachers are maybe picking up kids from police stations. These things happen.
Xavier Henry believes boundaries can be set to maintain respect while being fun.
Children have a lot going on in their lives. They don't need to come to another rough environment.
Being a safe space was one of the best things to happen to my literature class at that level. Through that expression, I found that there is still a lot that students are going through that we don't realize they're going through because we just think they're kids.
For Renee, Karine, and Jordanana,
I'm very shy and introverted, so he really helped me to find my voice, and he enabled me to know that my opinion does matter.
A lot of teachers should strive to build relationships with their students. So those life lessons that you instill in class are things that stay with your students forever. Looking at my other teachers, I have a similar relationship like this with them as well. I realize that I excel in those classes even better.
I personally did not graduate from sixth form when I went to sixth form because I didn't really take it serious. So seeing them not only overcome their own obstacles, but to achieve something that they're proud of.
With A Ray of Hope, I'm Kayan Morgan.
A Ray of Hope.